Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change email address on Frollo. Changing your email address on Frollo account is a straightforward process. So let's get to it right away. Tap Open Frollo application and make sure to log into your account. After you are signed in and you are inside the main homepage, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. You will then be able to find yourself inside the Profile tab. Tap on the email option from the list and then enter the new email you are trying to change to for the account. Once entered, tap on the arrow facing towards the right corner and you will now need to verify your new email. Go ahead and open up your new email inbox and open up the confirm email message. Now click on confirm. Select a web browser in the pop-up, which will then get to the verified page. You can now get back to the application once your email has been verified and enter your passcode. Once your email has been verified, tap finish. And now you have successfully changed your Frollo account's email address. Next time you log into your account, you will now need to enter the newly updated email. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.